Speaking of travel, how about space travel? On the last episode, we talked about Bezos trying to get himself up there, Blue Origin style. He had the Instagram clip. You know what, brother? I'm going to take you. He said,
like literally his brother.
He said, "Oh yeah, not like Hulk Hogan, brother.
No,
brother." No, he said to his brother, "I'd like to have my brother there. I think it'll be meaningful."
And they filmed it. It was very
dramatic.
produced.
And then they hugged.
Yeah.
And it was both had cowboy hats. So, yeah, pretty cool. Space Cowboys. Was that a movie or something?
Yes.
Are you sure about that?
I'm pretty sure.
No, you don't have to double check it. Let's just go with it.
Okay.
If it wasn't a movie, it should be a movie with a name like that. Anyway, Richard Branson is another one in this space race. We got a billionaire space race going on.
Uh-huh.
It ain't Russia and the United States. It's Branson versus Bezos. B versus B. And so he's been going with Virgin Galactic. They both want to do the space tourism thing. And I guess, and rightfully so, the thinking here is that the first one to get there is going to get all kinds of press.
Yes.
So now, apparently, there's a race on, and Branson is targeting July 4th, the July 4th holiday weekend.
They're going to have a space off?
It's a space off. I like that, Will. A space off between the space cowboys.
So
B versus B.
This launches before Bezos?
Yeah, Bezos was July 20th. Bezos was July 20th. But I don't know if they move up. Does he move up? Like, it's not exactly a thing you want to do nilly-willy, though, because
yes. Yeah.
You are going to space.
Uh-huh.
There is some risk involved, I presume. Probably not very much, as we were saying earlier. There's got to be a lot of testing and all that, but you don't want to rush it. Make sure you're ready to go. Virgin Galactic is awaiting approval of the flight from the Federal Aviation Administration. However, it is unclear if the VSS Unity, that's the Virgin Galactic vehicle.
Look at that.
Space plane.
That's cool.
It's unclear if it's actually capable of the internationally agreed upon edge of space, the Kármán line at 62 miles. It's unclear. People don't know if it can actually do it. Obviously, that's the target. But I don't know why they're saying it's unclear over here on futurism.com. The space plane has flown above half of that altitude 3 times so far. So it's this critical line where it's like, okay, yeah, you're in space. So it's a race and it's a distance thing. You got to get to a particular line, and who's going to get there first? Who are you betting on right now, Will? You have to answer this question. Who's going to do it first to that line? Is it Bezos or is it Branson?
Well, it seems like Branson, right? July 4th?
You think he's going to pull it off? You're
Yeah.
going Branson. I'll take Bezos.
Okay. We'll see how it goes.